Really?
Pangita,
Why ko ka
nakamakot
Say hi. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi guys. So
Hello,
for
everyone.
today's video, charot.
For today's video, it was
For
the
now,
sigil
no.
of the tower.
Yes, this is
This is SCP-3008. Wait.
oh guys, pangita ka mo to planks.
Hindi ko yun eh.
The correct. Oh, you. Hey, that.
How dare you? Okay, so how am I supposed to do this?
How dare you?
Hoy,
That is my
balik niyo
favorite
to hong
floor.
Wow, this is a very
What a nice.
Oh, hi, Char Char.
Kuya na parkour ni gali mo.
I got a teddy bear.
That's si Jing, ano?
I found a
That's si
teddy
Jing,
bear.
not remembering this was for
Di ko ba no mag-parkour?
Skill issue. Okay.
Uy, yala may ano da, may kit.
Huh?
The old
Medical
base
kit.
sa'yo, oh.
Bed kit.
Ibalikan ta to. Balikan ko to.
Kamuda.
Yeah.
Katultol ko to.
Si
Go.
Jin lang ganito sa leg.
Eh, kay patay ko hulog ya. Kuhay na ko energy yo.
Okay.
Kuhay gida miski isa.
No.
Ah.
Ang ano? Ang medkit?
Yeah.
Damuda.
Uy guys, so to na lang guys. Dalhin niyo ko diyo.
Katude.
Cha, ikaw okay, hindi ako kalaka to. Health ko to. And ang energy ko 0. Hunger ko 49.
Skill issue. Anyway.
Okay.
Did you know si Jin is very impatient?
And I do
Yeah,
not
I
give a actually, I don't care. Charot. The beer.
How dare you?
That is my favorite floor.
But I found a court here.
Why are you? No. Oh,
Guys, I found some foods.
kamu di biambal sa mangod ko maligo sa.
Go take a bath.
Hello.
Go take a bath. Domain expand.
Do you know who's my husband? Do you know who's my husband?
Ew.